a little winter weather update from this winter storm. Not really snowing, but there's plenty of sleet accumulation. Oops. Really count that as snow. But it's all over everything. It's piling up on top of the deuce and a half a little bit. Top of the white Jeep. Windshield's nothing but ice. I've got the block heater and a light on the hydraulics for the tow truck. That way, that's all good. A pretty good little coating of sleet on the bed. Thankfully, I parked it facing this way because there's hardly no ice accumulation on the windshield, which is good. So it's cold and I'm going back inside.